So today we will focus about the satellite imagery and the topographical map with special reference to India. This chapter is already done in your class, but I got some queries regarding topographical map. So that's why I explain the topographical map first. Okay, so let's start with the topographical map. So first you have to know idea about what is topographical map, what are the uses of the topographical map and importance and the scale factor of the topographical map. So today we will mainly focus about the scale factor of the topo map, right? This is very vital part of the topographical map. Third is the importance and last one is the uses. Okay. So what is topographical map? So topographical map is a piece of paper. You already know that topographical map is a piece of paper which cover the physical, cultural, social features of a particular area, right? So I just make a rough map. Just assume that it is a topographical map. Even after the class I will show you the raw map of the topographical map which I already have. Okay, so in topographical map it has 9 grids. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It has 9 grids and all the nodes or edges of the map is bounded by the latitude and longitudinal extent. So in the definition of the topographical map, I already told you, it includes the social and cultural and physical features of a particular area. So we know that already, without latitude and longitudinal extent, we can't detect any place. So it's bounded by the latitude and longitudinal extent. Very common. Okay, so I put a arbitrary latitude and longitudinal value of the map. Okay, so the vertical line, the horizontal line of the topographical map, it shows the latitudinal extent, and the vertical line of the topographical map show the longitudinal extent. Okay, just wait. Okay, so the horizontal line show the latitudinal extent. So what is the first value of the latitudinal extent is 72 degree 30 minutes, and it has a 5-minute gap between one node to another node. The next value is 72 degree 35 minutes. Third one is 72 degree 40 minutes east, and last one is 72 degree 45 minutes east. Okay, this is the gap between one node to another node. So this is the horizontal line of the topographical map which show the latitudinal extent. And what about the longitudinal extent? I also put an arbitrary value of the longitudinal extent, 27 degree 35 minute north. So the next value will 27 degree 40 minute north, because I already told you it has a difference between 5 minutes from one node to another node. Okay. Third one is the 27 degree 45 minute north, and last one is the 27 degree 50 minute north. Okay, so this is the latitude and longitudinal extent of a particular area, right? So in that part, this value is also the same. 50 minute north, 27 degree 45 minute north, 27 degree 40 minute north, and 27 degree 35 minute north, and this value is 72 degree 35 minute east, 72 degree 40 30 minute east and 72 degree 45 minute east, and this one is 72 degree 30 minute east. So this is the grid system of the topographical map. Just remember that topographical map which cover a particular land of any area. So it has a particular latitude and longitudinal extent, and it has 9 grids. 1, 2, 3, 4. I already told you it has 9 grids, and it includes the physical, cultural, social features of a particular area, right? And one more thing which is very vital for the topographical map, it is the contour value. It is the contour value or contour formation. So what do you mean by the contour? Contour is a imaginary line which show the distance or the altitude of the particular land area. Okay, so this is the contour. This contour value is also included in topographical map. So what is contour? Contour is an imaginary line which show the altitude or the height of a particular land, right? And topographical map which is surveyed by a particular survey general of the general surveyor of the topographical map. Okay, so what is the contour value? I just make a rough map. I mean, just assume that in the third grid of the topographical map, it has a conical hill. I mean, in the third grid of the map, has a conical hill. Conical hill, you know that what do you mean by the conical hill? Conical hill is a mountain. Conical hill. So in that part we can't detect any conical hill, but if I make a contour formation in that part, we easily detect the conical hill. Okay, so just remember that there is a one mountain which is situated in that part. Okay, just assume that. So you see that. Okay, so these black line are the contour line, and all the black lines are the contour line. What height between the focus that there is the central portion of the mountain. So this spot height is include or detect the conical hill of the particular map, and other value is the normal contour value. I mean, just assume that the central portion of the topographical map has a higher value of the contour. I mean, this central position, the contour value is 500. Just assume that, and the next one of the central value, I mean the next one, this one is the 480 meter. 500 meter height is the conical value, and the next value is the 480. Next one is the 460 meter. Okay. Next one is the 460 and 440 meter. Third one, the second last one is the 420 meter, and this one is the 400 meter. So we conclude that there is a major conical hill which is situated in the third grid of the map. The height of the conical hill is the 500 meter, and if you draw a section line of that portion, you saw that this is the 500 meter of the conical hill value, and this part, this contour value is show the 480 meter, 460 meter, 440 meter, 420, and last one is the 400 meter. So this is the contour formation of the topographical map, which is very, very important for understanding the formation of the contour value. So just remember that topographical map is a piece of paper which include the physical features as well as the social and cultural features in a particular land area, and which is bounded by the latitude and longitudinal extent, because without latitude and longitudinal extents we can't detect any place. Okay, so next we will focus about the scale factor of the topomap. So without scale we can't draw any map or make any map. So it has a particular RF value of the topographical map. I just rub it. The scale factor of the topographical map known as representative fraction. Or RF value. So what is RF value? RF value is a scale factor which determine the portion of the topographical map. I mean, just assume that I make a map which include the whole part of the Kolkata, right? And the size of the Kolkata is not small. It is a big or huge area. So this huge area is covered in a small particular piece of map. So the map scale will help to reduce the area. So the RF map helps to reduce the area and cover whole the huge part in a small piece of paper, right? So it has a particular scale. RF value is 1:50,000. This is the map scale of the topographical map. I think it's clear to all of you what is RF. RF, I just write the definition of the RF value. RF helps to reduce the huge areal extension and cover the whole area in a small piece of paper. Okay. And what are the importance and the uses of the topographical map? That is very important. The topographical map is also helps for in defense or army. I mean the administrative work of the government sector. That is very important, and it also helps to detect the physical features or the cultural features of a particular area. Right? So these are the basic formation of the basic structure of the topographical map. I just show you the raw form of the topographical map. That is very important. Okay. So this is the raw form of the topographical map. I already told you it has a contour formation. You see that the green portion of the topographical map which cover the forest area, dense forest area, and the yellow portion of the map, it's covered the whole agricultural land area. You see that, and it has a particular RF value. You see that in that part, I mean 1:50,000. I already write over there. Okay, and it has 9 parts. In the beginning, I already show you it has a 9 parts. You see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It has 9 parts. Okay, you can see that this is the raw form of the topographical map. I think it's clear to all of you. You just remember that the topographical map is a piece of paper which include or cover the social, cultural and physical features of the particular land area. I think it's clear to all of you. I just show you. So this is the raw form of the topographical map. Green part of the topographical map cover the dense forest, and the yellow part of the topographical map cover the agricultural land area, and it has 9 part. You show in that portion it has 9 part, I mean the 9 grid, and it has a particular RF scale is 1:50,000. It helps to reduce the huge land area and fit or cover the land area in a particular piece of paper. You see that. Okay, I think it's clear to all of you. If you have any questions or problems regarding topographical map, you can ask me anytime. Okay, so in next class we will talk about the satellite imagery. I think it's clear to all of you. Okay, thank you.
Thank you for watching the video. To know more about us, click www.stxavierspublicschool.com. If you like our video, then share and subscribe, please. Tata all my friend. I see you again in next video.